walking. I am just absolutely gutted. I got a terrible night's really afternoon sleep. I got a few hours yesterday afternoon, and then I was up from like 8 to, I tried to go to bed around 2 a.m. but I couldn't go to sleep, so when 6 a.m. rolled around, I got out of bed, went to the beach, and got some cool time lapses of the sunrise. And then I went straight into town from there because I'm an idiot and I forgot that Europe has different electrical connectors than the US. I did find a big electronics shop in the center of Catalonia. I had to go buy one of these cool USB chargers that hooks straight up into the European outlet. And then I also found a international multi-connector for my laptop, so now I'm good with electronics, but I was running low on juice there not too long ago. It's like 4 p.m. right now, and I'm just so tired, and for some reason my back hurts, so hopefully I fall asleep now and wake up like early tomorrow morning, because I'm checking out of this Airbnb and going to a different neighborhood away from the beach called Gracia, and I'm going to be meeting my buddy Mick, an Australian guy that lives in Lisbon, Portugal, but he's taking a course in Barcelona this month and he's finishing today, so I'm going to meet him tomorrow. We're going to share an Airbnb and hang out until Monday, and then I'm flying to Budapest, where I'm going to live for the next 2 months. So anyway, I'm hoping to catch up on my sleep here in the next 12 hours.